Suzuki just shook up the big-bore off-road world with a bike no one saw coming, the 2026 RMZ 1050. That's right, a full-liter dirt machine built to dominate everything from motocross to open terrain. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, and today we're taking a closer look at the most powerful RMZ ever made. Design. Let's start with the design. The RMZ 1050 carries Suzuki's signature yellow and blue livery, but it's all new from the ground up. The frame is a re-engineered lightweight aluminum twin spar, keeping the big engine in check without sacrificing agility. The plastics are slimmer, the ergonomics more aggressive, and the new LED lighting setup hints at its dual sport capability, though this one is all about dirt-first performance. Performance. Now the fun part, power. The RMZ 1050 is powered by an all-new 1,050 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's built for torque, and wow, does it deliver! Massive low-end pull, linear mid-range, and enough top-end to stretch out on desert straights. The power plant is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a revised gear ratio for smoother transitions between tight sections and open trails. Features and technology. Suzuki didn't stop at raw muscle. The 1050 comes with fully adjustable Showa suspension, traction control, launch control, and 3 switchable ride modes for varying terrain. A lightweight digital dash gives you the essentials without distraction, and there's even an optional GPS integrated enduro mode for off-road navigation and lap timing. Conclusion. The 2026 RMZ 1050 is Suzuki's boldest off-road move in years, blending brute strength, modern tech, and race-ready design into one serious machine. It's not just about going fast, it's about ruling the terrain. What do you think, trail weapon or track monster? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest takes on the newest rides hitting the dirt. Thanks for watching, ride hard, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.